Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today's going to be a little different. Obviously still a car, but not from Copart. We have bought a nice little motor here. It runs, you probably hear it, but it doesn't drive, so I'll get into that in a second. But pretty much everything else on it works. I'll turn it around, I'll show you what we've got here and the issues with it and what we're going to do about it. Here it is, with a little E93 320i. Grant's just buying some parts now on eBay. I'm going to try and hide the Fiat because this video might come out before this one. Everyone's probably already seen it now. But yeah, everything works on it. It doesn't drive. It's in pretty good nick. It's got these awful wheels on it, which some are missing studs. It's got spacers on it. It's a mess. It's got the side skirts are missing as well. We don't have them. The tyres are stretched as well. It's awful. Have a look at this one. You can see the bolts sticking out and some aren't. It's a mess. It's not held on properly. It's awful. So we went and bought some 1 Series wheels for 50 quid just to shove on there for a minute, just so it's safer, and we can drive around if we need to. The front wheel there, got 2 lug nuts in it. Meant to have 5, obviously. It's got this little mess here, ball here, needs sorting. This is broken, needs fixed. Headlight looks a little bit off. I've got the toe and eye cap, that's broken down there. It's the same with this wheel. Some carbon fibre here. A little chip in the windscreen. Roof works, we just tested that. With a scratch along here. Here's the interior. It's got an M Sport steering wheel and the gear knob. I've got like an aftermarket stereo unit. I'll probably put that back to factory just so it looks a bit nicer. Just come round and show you that. It's a lovely steering wheel. I really like that steering wheel. It looks good. And if you look at the mileage, 86,000 miles. So that's nice. Quarter tank of fuel. Take that. Also, I looked. Bit of money in there, already profiting. Yeah, 6-speed manual. Well, yeah, it's a pretty nice little car. Probably already told you in the thumbnail how much I paid for it, but 400 quid. Just got it delivered here, which was £60 because it doesn't run, so it doesn't drive. We paid 50 quid for the wheels. Then we need to buy some side skirts, which will probably be about 150 quid. 1 second, I'll just show you the wheels. Here's the wheels. These are just little, the 16-inch 1 Series wheels, but we paid 50 quid for them. Look at the tread on them. Yeah, you're not going to not buy them, are you? 50 quid just for one of them tyres, probably. And obviously we've got the wheels with it as well, so we thought we'll buy these. I reckon these will clean up nice, honestly. We're going to try to do it in a minute. We'll get these shoved on it, just so it's safer, and then we can jack it up and get to the diff, because the diff has blew up, and so has both the axles. That's why it's not driving. So hopefully as soon as we fix that, should have a nice running motor. It's just had a new clutch and flywheel in it. Had a service, but probably service it again. But yeah, it's a great little purchase for the money anyway. Be nice to use for a little bit of like the summer. It's nice and warm now. Nice little summer car with the roof down. Alright, so we just removed that front wheel. These are the 2 E46 M3. Nice. These are the 2 lug nuts that were on it that have been cut down. And then this is the spacers on. And these are not tight at all, these bolts. So you want to take that off. Get the nice new wheel on it. Well, new to this car. We are going to get other wheels, but we just put them on for a minute just so if we need to take it somewhere we can. And obviously then we'll get this one off as well. So I'll come back in when this one's off and show you. We got here a little apple juice and apple turnover. That'll do, thank you. Right, we'll give the wheel a little wash. Nothing crazy, just a little rinse down and scrub. Come up a lot better than that, obviously. They're not perfect, but all this here is like rubber, so that'll come off. So will that. I've got new badges. This stuff probably obviously won't come off, but I could probably touch it in. And we cleaned the back of them as well. So pretty happy with that, because if you look at the back of this one, yeah, so we're decent. We'll quickly wash all the rest of these and then we'll shove them on. Alright, so obviously the old lug nuts were these things here, that was like big fat things that have been cut and stuff. So thankfully I went through all the lug nuts that I got, and we've got a full set. I think these are original ones, and these aren't original, because I think the originals have the little thing, but I'm not sure. And you got some little locking nuts as well, so thankfully we've got a full set, so I can put them on. Right, we've got that new wheel on. It spins nicely. We thought we might have had issues with the caliper touching, but it's not, so that's good. Got all these lug nuts on. These are the ones where I got given with the car, thankfully. Didn't have to get any more. They're the originals. This is what we were working with before. You look at this, what was on it. They're all like shot as well. These bolts. Then you put these ones on that have been cut. These little ones, it's just a mess. They're the old wheels. Thankfully it's got some nice decent ones on now. I don't think it looks that bad actually. Also drop it down, we'll have a little look, but it doesn't even look too bad. Probably will get some bigger ones, maybe 17s or something. I'm not sure yet. Right, that's that side all sorted and on the ground. Grant's just finished cleaning that one up. There's the old ones. So I've put it on this side, I've done the front one there. I noticed there was a new caliper on, so that's nice. Got a nice new caliper. Put this wheel on. Put the locks on and everything. It's a bit broken. And then we're good to go. Well, that's all the wheels on. We're about to probably take the drive shafts. I don't know if we're doing that today or not, but we take the drive shafts out and obviously the diff. But I just wanted to get them all on and just make sure it was alright. With all the proper lug nuts on and stuff. So it's all proper legit now with no spaces or any of that stuff in it. I'll try to sell these and recoup some money, hopefully. There's all the spaces, all the bolts and stuff with it. But yeah, it's turned out alright, to be honest with you. It just looks a little bit silly, but I'm not really bothered, it's functional. We'll probably end up trying to get some better wheels for it, but we're just happy it's got proper ones on it now. So what we'll end up doing now is probably jacking it up and trying to look at the diff and maybe take the axles out possibly. Also the boot, it's got loads of clips and stuff missing out of it on this side, I think. Stuff's all over the place and stuff's everywhere. So Grant will probably end up just fixing all that. Show you the inside, that's the steps. We've just bought new side steps already, earlier on. Got bits and bobs in here, there's a number plate, trim underneath, toe and eye cap, some clips here, that's probably for the under tray. Put them in there so I don't lose them. Alright, we were going to go jack it up and get the axles off and the diff so we can see what we need to buy, but probably going to do that later now because we need to go elsewhere and get some stuff because we're going camping, so we need to get some stuff sorted for that. So I'm just going to pack up now and then I can get this video posted so you can all see it. Just a little walk around, show you. We've got the wheels sorted. Obviously you know what the problem is now, and get the diffs taken out and the axles taken out as well to get them all changed out. But I hope you enjoyed. See you later, guys.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.